Dumpster Rental Columbia, South Carolina. Looking for reliable dumpster rental services in Columbia, South Carolina? Midlands Dumpster Services LLC has you covered. Whether you're working on a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction project, we provide convenient dumpster rentals to help you tackle any job. Our range of dumpster sizes ensures you'll get the right fit for your needs, from smaller 10-yard dumpsters for minor cleanups to larger 20-yard dumpsters for bigger projects. At Midlands Dumpster Services LLC, we pride ourselves on prompt delivery and pickup, flexible rental periods, and exceptional customer service. We understand the importance of having a clean, clutter-free space, which is why we work hard to make your dumpster rental experience smooth and hassle-free. No matter the scale of your project, we offer affordable pricing and transparent fees so you can plan accordingly. Our team is here to assist you and answer any questions about our services. Whether you're in need of a short-term or long-term rental, Midlands Dumpster Services LLC is your go-to solution for dumpster rental in Columbia, South Carolina. When you're ready to rent a dumpster in Columbia, South Carolina, give us a call at 803-608-6437. Let us help you get the job done efficiently and effectively.